Let me see this beacon. Yeah, that's not the name. There's the data. And the fuse looks like it's missing an energy guy. It's got a very nice Deacon logo on it. It's got 3 helicopter blades. It's got an Emerson cookie score compressor on its string. XP has a red one score compressor. 2020. Oh, that's what the stick is from? Yeah, we're at the Tranes HVAC Heaven. There's some kind of Condo apartment complex. Germantown, There's a Twin XR. This is Wade. These are hard to find. Yep. This is new, or it's supposed to be what it's from. Oh, it's from 2019. I think that's what the time is. Let's go with mini squids. This is even running. We got a sweet look. Mini squid out here running. What is mini squids? Looks nice. It is newer. And this is business with mini squids. It's not running. I think it's not right next to the burger. There's some boxes. Let's go up there to the chain. You can find some more units. Yeah, I see got more trains. I think the last time I here on these trains, I wonder where I'm being killed. This is 7. This one's 2006. I get the and this is that 6 train. There's a one of ocean over there. And the town government. Yep. Oh, that one's a townhouse. Let's go on the other side. November 4th, just 24. I've been here for a long time. And this is my first time moving here. These trains. I was expensive to see here to see a new Daikin. With the top, we go with the top. I think there are some more units up here. When we were driving around here, I saw a German unit over here. I said I could be this one. This guy's cool. Open. Another train. I got pretty combination. I don't want to finish these dogs. Oh, what mini splits? They're not for XP. Oh, I know this thing just has no logo. It's a wine mini split. Oh, whoa. Yeah. And then the feed book. One is not running. Little train. XP. I mean, you shall have one for Django, so I'm not going to be able to see these. It's got a red one back here. XP 13. From 2006. Sorry, again. Venus there? Oh, okay.
Yeah, because like softly disconnects boxes.
That one's from 2006 as well. That one's the same.
This one is also part of the other one.
Yeah, one of the compressors. But it has different sizes, so it's not really hard to see inside them. Let's see, there's some more trees over here. Over to all of them. Some more trains, so is that all? I think that's it. I think we got all of them. Oh, let's go over here. So I gotta look at the blinds at the Mason Center. So those 2 planes again. XBs for 2006. I think everyone in this composite built around 2006. So all these trains that one. This should be which one the building was built. I like it. The other one is from September 2006. The road over there, the beach person train. Oh yeah, those C3 discount boxes there, so maybe it used to be free them. I never see 3 discount boxes. I finished already 6 minutes. Over there's the company. Over there's a Yoko field for next hour at that house over there. But I can't put us because it's on the property. I don't be filming these at houses. That is the higher ground being busted. I don't film references to houses. I just make it on far away. There, that aircon could be always from the house built. Because it's old. And that's why it's not going to be new. Probably push the other York. Yeah, Kirpin the other side. Kirpin the series. There's the entrance. But I think last time there were 3 blinds down here. Try to get back here. Oh, look at this, look at this. Squares. That's the pool over there. Just don't on it now because it's November. And yep, there are the 3 blinds, like inside there. I can't get in there because of the legacy lines. Yep, over there, blinds. Yep, there I can look at them. Yep.
Still has some water on it.
Yeah, that's the pool. But I guess that's it. Over there, some 1x mirrors on that house. Oh, that's it.